Ma, that's nothing. We shouldn't even worry about that.
Hindi naman lahat yan ang magiging interpretation.
Wala naman kami ginagawang masama.
Because both of you are rising stars.
Basta si Kelly dun, Ma. It's completely my fault.
I know. It's all on you. Kaya habang maaga pa, I want this to stop.
Ma, you're being unfair.
I'm only doing this for the both of you. Nate, mag-focus ka muna sa album mo. And Jenny, sa Yumi, rising star ka pa lang. Madali ka pang bitawan ng mga tao. Kahit ako. I don't want any distractions. Kahit friendship pa yan.
Apo, Miss Monica.